And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can find the highest number in an array. You can do that in many ways. Let me show you two ways. First up, we'll create a function, but this time I'm simply going to apply everything the function would do directly to the array. It's a little bit different from what we did for finding the lowest number in the last tutorial, but we'll start with a new variable, call that highest number, and set it equal to our array that's given ARR index 0, which is the first number. Then we use a for loop and inside an if statement. Let me first define both of them. So the condition for the if statement and our loop, create a counter I, set that equal to 1 because we've started our array at index 0. Therefore we can directly start at index 1 for our counter. Semicolon I smaller our array dot length. So as long as I is smaller than the array length, we'll continue the loop. This ensures that we have all numbers covered, and when there are no numbers left anymore, the loop stops. And we have to increment it by 1 every time, so I++ for each iteration. The if statement condition, we use our array at index I, and then we want to compare it to the highest number. And if it is bigger, then we'll set our highest number to this new number in the array, so highest number is then equal to ARR at index I. And that's the basic setup. It makes it possible to store the highest number of the array in our variable here, highest number. We just have to print it out afterwards, so document.write highest number inside, and this should give us 103, and there you go, it worked. Let me add a number, 122. You can see it still runs. As I said in the last tutorial, we put that in a function. You can directly do it like this, but just like with math.min, we have a math.max method that we can also use, and this does all of that directly. So we'll set let highest number to math.max. And inside we use our array ARR, and we need the spread operator, 3 dots. And there you go, still 122. Let me add a number to 15. It still runs. So this simple code line here does what we've created prior with the for loop and the if statement. And this way I can find the highest number in an array using JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.